The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, and south central Lake County in northeastern Illinois until 9:19 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 6:54 p.m. Central Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing large damaging hail up to golf ball-sized and destructive winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. These storms were located over Elmhurst, or 3 miles south of Addison, moving north at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and golf ball-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, sites, and trees. Locations impacted include Addison, Bensonville, Wooddale, Itasca, Elk Grove Village, New Brown Preserve, Mount Prospect, Rolling Meadows, Arlington Heights, Prospect Heights, Wheeling, Buffalo Grove, Kilder, and Long Grove. For your protection, move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Large hail, damaging winds, and very powerful lightning strikes are also occurring with this storm. Avoid lightning at all costs, as lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is also occurring with this storm, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:19 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Illinois: DuPage, Cook, and Lake.